Oi pessoal, tudo bem com vocês? Vamos continuar aqui a nossa parte 2 da nossa contação de histórias em inglês, tá bom? Então, don't be silly, Steve. Ghosts don't exist, Sarah says. And stop talking like that, or you will scare Mike. Once again, the knocking on the door starts, and Sarah runs to the door. She throws it open. Again, there is no one inside. She starts to get worried this time. Who could be doing this? She asks. And why? Suddenly, Steve starts laughing. What? Asks Sarah. Look at Max, answers Steve. Max was sitting next to the door, swinging his tall tail, making the knocking noise. Steve and Sarah laughed a lot. They are relieved to discover who is knocking. They were starting to get nervous. Next to them, Mike is playing with his toys, unaware of the incident. Chapter 3: Strange Noises. Sarah and Steve decide to take showers before dinner. They take turns playing with Mike. After their showers, they wait for Aunt Josie and Uncle Bird to come back and have dinner, but it's already late. I don't want to wait anymore. I'm hungry, complained Steve. You are always angry, says Sarah. But I'm hungry too, says Mike. Okay, let's have dinner then. Sarah agrees. Sarah takes the food out of the oven. Então aqui eles ficaram sozinhos em casa, né? Esqueci de mostrar aqui pra vocês. Só que eles escutaram um barulho na porta e foram várias vezes ver se era alguém na porta, nunca tinha ninguém, se era o cachorrinho, não era o cachorrinho, então achavam estranho esse barulho. Até que eles descobriram o que era. Aí aqui eles estão falando que eles ficaram com fome, estavam esperando os tios deles chegarem, eles já tinham tomado banho, mas nada dos tios deles chegarem, eles estavam atrasados. After dinner, Mike wants to hear a story. Sarah starts telling him the story of Little Red Riding Hood, but when she gets to the part where the wolf attacks the grandmother, Mike is already asleep. Steve and Sarah decide to wait for their uncle and aunt, but they are tired. They end up falling asleep too. Então eles falam que eles tentaram esperar os tios para comer, mas estavam com fome, então a Sarah foi preparar alguma coisa para eles. Eles jantaram e aí o primo dela pediu para contar uma história para ele dormir. Aí ela foi contar Chapeuzinho Vermelho, só que antes de chegar na parte do que o lobo atacava a vovozinha, o menino já tinha adormecido. E aí eles tentaram ficar acordados para esperar os tios, mas como já estava tarde, eles também adormeceram. It's late now, and the house is very quiet. Suddenly, a strange noise from upstairs wakes up Sarah and Steve, but Mike keeps sleeping. What's the noise? Asks Steve. Maybe it's Max again. Where's he? Asks Sarah. They go upstairs, but they can't find Max. They go back downstairs. Sarah goes to the kitchen to get some water. Hey, Steve, look who's in the kitchen? It's Max. Well, if he is in the kitchen, who was making the noise upstairs? Steve asked. I don't know, Sarah answers. What are we going to do? Steve asks. Let's call Aunt Josie, Sarah replies. Sarah and Steve try to call Aunt Josie, but she isn't answering her cell phone. The noise starts again. Sarah and Steve are really scared now. They are afraid of going upstairs again. They decide to stay downstairs and wait for Aunt Josie and Uncle Bern. Então aquele sala que o barulho continuou, né? E aí eles foram até a cozinha para ver se era o cachorro, mas não era o cachorro, o barulho continuava. E aí eles tentam ligar pro tio deles, mas a tia deles não atende. Eles ficam muito preocupados e com medo. Chapter 4. The Problem with the Car. An hour late, Aunt Josie and Uncle Bern finally arrived. They find the three kinds downstairs. Sorry, we're so late. We had a flat tire. We tried to call you, but there was no phone signal. Is everything all right? Aunt Josie asked. We are fine, but we are a little scared. There are some strange noises, Sarah says. Strange noises? Uncle Bern asks. Yes, Steve replies. First we heard a noise near the door, but then we realized it was Max who was making the noise with his toy. Then we heard some noises upstairs, but we didn't find anything up there. Uncle Bern decided to go upstairs to check again. There is nothing here, he shouts. Are you sure you heard noises? He asks. Aunt Josie interprets them. It's probably the neighbors' cats on our roofs again, Bernie. Yes, those stupid cats, Uncle Bernie replies. The first time they climbed on our roof and started making noise, we didn't know what it was either. They all go outside. They see the cats on the roof. Sarah and Steve look at each other. How silly we were, says Steve. We were scared because of cats. Everybody starts to laugh. Let's all go to bed now. We have a long day tomorrow. This is just an example of how our imagination can play tricks on us. What about you? Does your imagination ever play tricks on you? E aí no final eles descobrem que o barulho no telhado era os gatos do vizinho miando. Né? O livro termina perguntando assim, né? Que é como a nossa imaginação pode nos pregar peças, né? E se um dia você foi enganado pela sua imaginação também. Aí aqui mostra o final do livro. Aí quando eles descobrem os gatos, o tio dele indo lá procurar, ele sabendo como que poderia ser aqui. Bem legalzinho, né, a história. Então é um livrinho que eu recomendo para vocês lerem, que vocês vão gostar bastante, se identificar bastante com a historinha também, tá bom? Espero que tenham gostado de tudo. Curte aí, comenta, compartilha, aciona o sininho e até a próxima. Tchau, tchau e se cuidem!